Welding and hot work safety are critical to prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. When working with welding, cutting, grinding, or any other hot work processes, certain precautions must be taken to avoid fires, burns, explosions, and other hazards. Fire safety precautions. Welding produces sparks and molten metal which can easily ignite nearby materials. Before starting any hot work, ensure the area is clear of flammable materials including papers, cloths, and chemicals. If necessary, cover combustible materials with fire-resistant blankets. A fire extinguisher, specifically rated for welding or electrical fires, should be readily accessible. Proper personal protective equipment, PPE. Welders and anyone in the vicinity of hot work must wear appropriate PPE. This includes flame-resistant clothing, gloves, and protective footwear to shield from sparks and molten metal. Welders should also wear a welding helmet with a suitable filter to protect their eyes from harmful UV radiation and flying debris. Safety goggles are essential for those assisting the welder or in the nearby area. Hot work can produce dangerous fumes, so proper ventilation is crucial. Conduct welding in well-ventilated areas or use local exhaust systems to capture harmful fumes before they are inhaled. Always assess the work environment to ensure there's enough airflow to prevent the buildup of hazardous gases. Since welding equipment runs on electrical power, it's vital to ensure that all equipment is in proper working condition. Check cables for signs of wear or damage, and inspect grounding systems to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Unplug equipment when not in use and always use a licensed electrician for repairs. Many workplaces require a hot work permit before welding or cutting can take place. The permit ensures that the area has been checked for potential fire hazards, proper PPE is in place, and safety protocols are being followed. Before starting work, verify that the necessary permits and checks are completed. Always have an emergency plan in place. Workers should be trained in the use of fire extinguishers and emergency shutdown procedures. Ensure that first aid kits are available and that there are designated personnel to respond to any injuries or accidents. By following these essential welding and hot work safety measures, workers can reduce the risk of injury and create a safer work environment for themselves and their colleagues.